up, y'all? So today is officially Friday, baby, the first weekend of the new year. Why I keep doing it? But right now, your boy finna go grab some lunch with the homegirl Britt, and yeah, I guess. I mean, one of my items came in the mail yesterday. It's this Fantasil suction cup. It was like 20 bucks on eBay. I had it before when I used to do my car review videos, and it broke on me a lot because I didn't take care of it. So I got another one, and we're gonna hook it up and see how it works with the Sony camera. See if this inside stabilization keeps it stable, because my car got damn near Hasbro motor mounts, and them things are vibrating AF. So we're gonna hook up the suction cup and talk to you guys about what I just bought for the week. So I got you guys hooked up on the Fantasil suction cup mount. And I hope it's not vibrating, but I gotta talk loud because hashtag open down pipe, baby. Yee to the yee. So I finally decided what to do to complete the front end of my car as far as aero. And I reached out to a company last night called Ventus Auto Works, formerly known as Z Splitters. They're a Canadian-based aero company. They're like one of the best in Canada. They're one of the best in Canada. And I hit them up, and they liked what I said. And I was like, yo, I'm down to help you on your build. And I bought my splitter through them. It's going to be a custom Type R splitter with the replica Type R lip that I have. Because think about it. If I was going to buy a Type R lip, it's going to cost me 200 bucks. And then if I buy the splitter from them, it's still going to run me 270 bucks. So that's $470 for a Type R lip plus splitter combo, when I could just buy the P1 splitter lip combo for $500. So I thought it'd be cost effective. Let me just buy a splitter and then keep the lip I already have on the car, and that's what I did. And hopefully it comes out great. The splitter looks amazing. And what's so dope about the splitter, it comes with free support rods, which is dope. You can get it in carbon fiber wrapped if you wanted to. You can get the splitter in gloss or a matte finish, whatever you prefer. And yeah, the great prices. The only bad thing about it is shipping to the States. They do charge like $95 to ship to the States. And yeah, because it's Canada shipping. It's basically international shipping. That's why. But other than that, man, great quality. Can't wait for it to come in and get installed for you guys. But as I said, I'm on my way to get lunch with the homie Britt. And yeah, we're gonna eat some wings. Some chicken wings from this restaurant called Thirsty Turtle. They wet, bro. Hey, they wet, bro. What you about to do, Britt? What you about to do?
I'm about to grub. What you about to do?
Shit, same. You know.
We got the cheese fries on deck.
She got bacon on her cheese fries,
Real
bro.
bacon, not no bacon bitch shit.
Let's see how good these thirsty turtle wings are. It was good. It was very good. Britt hooked it up. You guys make sure you be prepared for these comments. They're gonna be hella. I'm telling you, my comment section about to go crazy. But they follow her and
Hit me up if you're over 21.
Hey, do it, bro. I know some of y'all be like, you know what, bro? I think I'm gonna do it. Hey, follow your dreams, like my man Mark say. Well, like, what if they're like hustlers or something? That's ambition.
Dirty work. That's dirty money.
But that is ambition, because they like take chances.
Go to jail. Yeah.
True. Woo! Just got home not too long ago, and I came home to a package from my man Tommy La. Time now, like I don't know what this is. Let's open up this package together. I know the camera's like tilted. I put it up on the Joby Pod, but my desk is a little too small for it because I got light and Xbox in the way. But let's open up this package, baby. Let's see what we got. I already know what we got, but you guys don't know what I got. Dog, I thought I just cut the freaking charger cord. Oh my God. Maybe I did cut it. I don't know. Damn. Oh, damn, Tommy. Oh. So right here, we have a charger, right? Then right here, we got toodaloo, motherfucker. We got a Hero 4, boy. The homie only charged me 70 bones for this, bro. 70 bones for the Hero 4. Tommy, I love you, bro. I love you, big dog. Appreciate you, bro. But in all seriousness, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for hooking your boy up with the Hero 4 for the coolest 70 bones, b. Listen. 70 bones. But I'm not going to end the video here because this vlog today wasn't that dope because I didn't really do anything. All I did was get food and come back home. I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow, but before I end the vlog off from today, I want to give a huge shout out to my man Albert Marty, which is works JDM on Instagram. He reached out to me, we talked, and bro, just know I'm making connections, baby. He hit me up, he was like, yo, bro, I love the video you and your mom did. I was like, yo, dude, you know who you, bro, it's you, bro. Like, I felt so cool talking to this man, and he said, bro, when you ready for a new clutch, let me know. We're gonna work something out. I was like, oh my God, why are you blessing me so early in the new year, bro? We're only 5 days in, and I'm all, my God, I love you, dude. Thanks, bro. But I appreciate you for reaching out to me, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who's been hitting me up to get Marauder sponsored. I probably should have added more details in that. Make sure your car isn't too much of a project car. And I know that sounds bad because my car right now looks like a damn project car. But I want to like sponsor clean builds, bro. So I like people like, yo, that car's clean. He got a Marauder banner. What's a Marauder? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to just sponsor any car just because you watch the videos, which I humbly do appreciate you for doing. But, you know, I want to, you know, branch it out in a way of like a bunch of top tier clean cars are repping, so the people who they influence can be like, yo, I like that, where you get that from? Oh, I got it from zoshmfg.com, and they order it, and I feel all cool. I feel like a businessman. So, you know what, I'm just saying, if you have a clean build, let me know. I want to sponsor like 5 cars. I got like 2 already done, so 3 more. If you don't have social media, like my man Mr. EK said, my email is always open, percymesscuddy@gmail.com. Let me know, and yeah, let's continue this vlog tomorrow. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day. Today is Saturday, and right now we're gonna do 2 things. First things first, we gotta go get some gas. Then we're off to go pay a visit to the Hombre JB Tune. So before my car shuts off while at idle, let's go get some gas. What's up, bro? Where you going?
Where you going, bro?
I'm going to get gas, and I'm going to JB's house. What you doing, bro?
JB's house, bro.
Oh, you going to your...
You going to my wifey's house, boy?
Oh, damn, not wifey's house. Damn. Yeah, this is the only time we get to see my, y'all. Minding. Alright, fool.
You see rainy road is all the tools embedded in my chest piece. Only specially you need to.
Got the gas, didn't really film it because, I don't know, I didn't think about it until I looked over and see my camera. But now we're on the way to JB's house. I'm bamming some Xavier Wolf. I've been on my Hollow Squad tip lately. The man goes in, bro. His beats selection is straight up fire. So if you got fire beat selection, I'm bamming your music, B. I don't care or know what the hell you're saying. But if your beats go hard, bro, that's all that matters, baby.
Like shout call, I'm laughing. It wasn't me when you asked her. Peaches and cream when she asked me. She take it off, she got no shame. She sees.
How do I say goodbye?
Just pulled up to Mr. JB's house. Mr. JB. Check that out, bro. Turn it up. There you go, bro.
What's up, man?
That's what's up, bro. You like my side skirts, bro? They nice, bro? I got in an accident. Look how bad it is, bro.
Oh, man.
But it's okay.
I sent you a new pair, right?
No, he sent me a new one. He just told me to cover the shipping, and the shipping was $30. And I was like, oh my God, thank God. I'm glad I got another one, so now when it comes paint day, I can take this one off and put the new one on. I'm kind of nervous to paint it, though. Because I know I can't take care of anything, so I just know. Mark, you know you my man. I got you a gift for Christmas. I hope you enjoy it. I'll show you this now, because when I see you, I'm going to give it to you. Got you some K-Pro, man. Didn't film much out of the respect of a person's home, but now we're on our way home. It's 5 o'clock now. I got some guy coming to buy that seat and the driver's seat of that seat. And yeah, so let's get home, son. Jason, if you're watching this, which I know you... Oh, shit, I'm so sorry. I almost crashed my car. Jason, I left a little stain on your driveway. I'm sorry. I really do have to get a new, what's it called? Pressure? No. Sandwich plate. Glow shift. Holla at me, B. Well, I think he knows. My bad, bro. Just got home not too long ago, and as I said at JB's residence, I got a new side skirt, which I actually said in the video, I think my last video. Yeah, I got in an accident with my side skirt. That's why I'm so scared to paint my car, bro, because I don't have people like Brian to help me out all the time when something goes bad with the part. So he shipped me out a brand new side skirt. All he told me to do was pay for the shipping. And you know, Brian, if you're watching this, which I highly doubt because you're a busy man, appreciate you so much. Thank you. $30 compared to spending $285. Yeah, I'd say he blessed me, bro. That was a big blessing. Now let's take a look at my base Christmas tree. This is a pink bandana, which means it's base. Shout out to the base guy, baby. And I got some gifts that I have to unwrap for you guys, but I'll do that later. I got install videos ready for you guys. I just gotta wait until all the parts come in the mail. I thought my radio block output was gonna come in today, but that didn't. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I know this is boring. I do apologize for, you know, my second video or third video of 2018 is being this short garbageness. Nothing really happened these past 2 days, bro. Like enough parts came in. Oh man, I could have easily clickbaited this title, bro, but I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to do it. Even Brit said I should do it. I should have been like, meet my new girl or something crazy like that. It could be show clickbait, but nah, I wouldn't do that, and that's not cool at all. That's not cool. I know y'all gonna ask me, bro, Zosh, you like her, bro? And y'all talking, bro? No, bros, no. Brit's like, she's like a Randy. But damn, I think that's disrespectful. That's the homie, man. Plus, hey, I'm gonna let y'all in on the secret, bro. She told me not to tell nobody, but she really do like Hispanic dudes. So if you a good looking Hispanic, bro, hey, slide her DMs, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, and if it works out, give me a shout out, bro. I'm trying to grow my social media. I'm just playing, you know damn well I don't care about no social media, bro. Y'all should know this by now. I don't need upload, bro. I don't need upload on my Instagram, bro. I don't need upload. They be like, Zosh, you upload? Like, hell no, I ain't upload. They be like, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow with another new video that actually gonna have content because me and Randy gonna go looking for